Here's what's inside the October 2024 issue of Cleaner Magazine. Brought to you by NuFlow. NuFlow's trenchless pipe repair technology is revolutionizing Arizona's aging infrastructure. Peerless Plumbing's shift to NuDrain CIPP liners has not only boosted efficiency, but offers a faster, more durable solution for brittle pipes. Curious how this can improve your business? Visit NuFlow.com. Ever wonder how to tackle those monster-sized sewer rehab jobs without digging up half the city? Cleveland's Mara Services has cracked the code with slip lining and spray lining tech. Get the inside scoop on their clever trenchless tricks. Want to win repeat business and referrals? Learn how small gestures and attention to detail can make a huge difference for your drain cleaning operation. A versatile trenchless solution that works even in submerged conditions? One contractor shares how the LightRay LR3 from Spartan revolutionized his approach to spot pipe repairs, cutting downtime and boosting efficiency. If you're looking for the best solutions in relining, UV CIPP, lateral and manhole rehabilitation, reinstatement and grouting, flip to page 38. Portland's stormwater rehab project faced insane challenges. Think century-old pipes and tight fits. See how smart moves like slip lining and a battery-powered locomotive turned a daunting task into a smooth success. Here are 5 small yet powerful actions that can inspire and motivate your team every day. From air inverters to high-tech liners, explore practical solutions that enhance efficiency, reduce downtime, and tackle tough pipe challenges. Find out how NuFlow Nebraska used UV light curing tech to repair critical lines at an FAA tower without shutting down the facility. Read about it in the case studies. The compact but powerful Mini Gator Boss brings serious muscle to stubborn blockages. With flexible, field-repairable tools and powerful high-speed cleaning, it's perfect for tackling tough 2 to 4-inch pipes. Thank you for watching, and thank you for reading Cleaner Magazine. See you next month.